Dear students, welcome to the class of Fundamentals of Trigonometry. First, we shall study about the definition of the trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which refers to mainly the right angle triangle. Okay. So now, Francisco Witte, he is the person who gives the fundamentals about the trigonometry first. After that, the great mathematician, Greek mathematician, astrologer and geographer Hipparchus gave a tremendous change in the trigonometry. Therefore, he is known as the father of trigonometry. Okay. So now let us consider the trigonometric ratios. Now consider the right angle triangle ABC. Here angle B is 90 degree and C is any acute angle theta. In trigonometry we called acute angle theta. So now this side, the opposite side to theta is called opposite side. This side BC is called adjacent side, and the side which is opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Now we will get, by using these three sides, we will get 6 ratios: opposite by hypotenuse, and another hypotenuse by opposite. Similarly, adjacent by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by adjacent, 4, 5 opposite by adjacent, and 6th one adjacent by opposite. These are the 6 ratios. These called trigonometric ratios. Now consider AB, BC and AC. So now we can get 6 ratios, that is AB by AC, opposite by hypotenuse. This is called the sine of the angle theta. Simply we call sine theta. So therefore opposite by hypotenuse is called sine theta. So consider the reciprocal of that one, that is AC by AB, hypotenuse by opposite, that is known as cosecant theta. So now similarly consider another side BC by AC, adjacent by hypotenuse, that is known as cos theta. Now reciprocal of that one, hypotenuse by adjacent, hypotenuse by adjacent, that is known as cosecant theta. Now consider another side opposite by adjacent, that is known as tan theta. So reciprocal of that one, adjacent by opposite, is cot theta. So therefore opposite by hypotenuse is sin theta, hypotenuse by opposite is cosecant theta, adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta, hypotenuse by adjacent is secant theta, opposite by adjacent is tan theta, adjacent by opposite is cot theta. These are called 6 ratios of the trigonometry. So BC by AC, adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta. So reciprocal of that one, AC by BC, that is hypotenuse by adjacent, that is secant theta. So another ratio AB by BC, that is opposite by adjacent, that is tan theta. So reverse this one, BC by AB, then adjacent by opposite, that is cot theta. These are 6 called T ratios of the trigonometry, that is sin theta, cos theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, tan theta and cot theta. Now remember this, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore we can write 1 by opposite by hypotenuse. Then you will get hypotenuse by adjacent, that is cosecant theta. So therefore reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Similarly reciprocal of cosecant theta is sin theta. So sin and cosecant are reciprocal to each other. Similarly cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Therefore reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, reciprocal of secant theta is cos theta. Therefore cos and secant are reciprocal to each other. Similarly tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite. Therefore reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta. So therefore tan and cot are adjacent, opposite to each other, reciprocal to each other. Therefore 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, or 1 by cosecant theta is sin theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta, 1 by secant theta written as cos theta. 1 by tan theta is written as cot theta. 1 by cot theta is tan theta. One more relation we have, because sin theta is opposite by adjacent hypotenuse by cos theta. Consider cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse cancel. We will get opposite by adjacent, which is tan theta. Therefore, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Similarly, reverse of that one, cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. So now consider the problem. Sin theta equal to 8 by 10. Find all the trigonometric ratios. Take triangle ABC. Angle C is theta. So then hypotenuse 10. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite AB is 8. This is 10. We have to find BC by using Pythagoras theorem. AC squared, the hypotenuse square, equal to sum of the other two squares of the other two sides. So therefore AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. This is Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. So 10 squared, 8 squared, BC squared. 10 squared is 100, 8 squared is 64 plus BC squared. So transfer this to this side, then 100 minus 64 you will get 36. So BC squared equal to 36, BC equal to square root 36. So BC equal to 6. You will get BC 6. So 8 square plus 6 square, you will get 100. So that is 10 square. These are called Pythagorean triplet. This only forms a right angle triangle. So now trigonometric ratios, cosecant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent, so 10 by 8. So next cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 6 by 10. Similarly secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent, so that is 10 by 6. So similarly tan theta, adjacent by opposite by adjacent, so that is 8 by 6. So cot theta, adjacent by opposite, so that is 6 by 8. So sin theta is 8 by 10. Cosecant theta is 10 by 8, cos theta is 6 by 10, secant theta is 10 by 6, tan theta is 8 by 6, cot theta is 6 by 8. Consider another problem, slight different problem. Here 13 cos theta equal to 12. Find the value of cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So here cos theta can be written as 12 by 13. Find the value of cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So now ABC is a triangle. So now this is 13. Find AB by using Pythagoras theorem. So AC squared is given 13 squared. AB squared plus 12 squared 116. AB squared plus 12 squared. AB squared equal to 116 minus 144. You will get 25. AB equal to square root 25. AB equal to 5. So we will get AB equal to 5. So we want cos theta. Cos theta is given, sin theta equal to 5 by 13. So substitute for this. Cos theta plus sin theta 12 plus 13. Sin theta is 5 by 13. So 13 is common here, denominator common. So we can add numerators. 13, 12 plus 5, 17 by 13. Similarly in numerator cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13. So 13 denominator same, 12 minus 5 is 7. So if you take reciprocal and multiply, 17 by 13 into 13 by 7, 13 cancel, 17 by 7. So the value of this one cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta is 17 by 7. Therefore by using this, solve this problem. The ratio hypotenuse by adjacent is equal to dash. The reciprocal of secant theta is dash. If tan theta is 6 by 8, then 8 by 6 is dash. Sin theta by cos theta is dash. If tan theta equal to 4 by 3, find all the t ratios. If 15 sin theta equal to 9, find the value of sin theta plus 1, cos theta plus 1, and second one cos theta minus sin theta. I think you are clear. This is the fundamentals of geometry. So thank you one and all. If you have any doubts, please consult me. Thank you once again.